Okay, so we're going to go into the terminal. We accept our connection for our stop bits, and this takes us in to the switch. Now, right now, we are in the PC looking at the switch, the 2900 switch. That's using Telnet. Now we can check this by, let me shrink this up a little bit. We can check this by going over here and opening the switch, and we can see that the switch has the, go to the command line interface, same thing. We can see them side by side and see that that's what's working here. The switch, what I do in the PC is also happening in the switch. Okay? Now I can configure the interface here. I'll close the switch right now because we're telnetting in. Oops. I have to config T. How did I forget all of my basics? Enable gets me into the switch to look around. Config T means config the terminal. Now I can make changes to the switch. Now I'm in interface VLAN 1. I'm going to put it on the same network as the PCs. And I'm going to call this 10.10.10. And I'm going to call it 5 just to give a little variation. And the subnet mask to match everyone else, and then a no shut command to bring it up. Okay, so now I have connection between the PC and the switch. Now I should go in and configure this other PC as well, just because I can. Let's go ahead and configure it, and I'm going to give it static IP address. Let's see, I'm going to go with fast Ethernet interface, and I see the MAC address. I'm going to go static and give it a 10.10.10.2, and the subnet mask will kick in, and that's that. So now, if I go to the command prompt, and this is for PC2, I'm at 10.10.10.2. So I've given an IP address to both PCs and the switch all in the same network. So now I can just go ahead and go in and ping. Let's check the connectivity. 10.10.10.1, and it responds that yes, I can get to 10.10.10.1 and back without any trouble. How about 10.10.10.5, which is the switch? For some reason, I can't get into the switch. Something's going wrong. All right. So I'm not sure. There it is. I just wasn't patient. I needed time for the switch to respond. So it did. Out of the 4 packets it sent, I got 3 back. If I try that again, I should get all of them right away. And I do. So that's how we demonstrate connectivity. Now here, don't confuse. I mean, I am on this PC. I'm telnetting into the switch. In Packet Tracer, I can just click on the switch to see what's going on. But I just wanted to demonstrate to you how that works. So if I'm in PC1, for example, that's PC3. Forgive me. If I go into the PC and I'm telnetting, you can see I'm in the PC and here's the switch. Everything I do inside is, and if I shut it down, well, if I shut it down, then there wouldn't be any communication. So I hope that's not too confusing, but in Packet Tracer we can see right into the switch. We don't need the console. But in real life you would need this console connection. Out of band it's called. It's off the Ethernet, to set up the IP addresses. Now that the IP addresses are set up, we don't need the console cable anymore. We could get rid of it and put it out in production and just communicate through Telnet using Ethernet cables. So I'll cut that demo off. That's the idea of how it's done. Go ahead and try it yourself. Thanks.